Make a great choice today with the 2017 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, low tire pressure warning. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.